Hi, right, you wanted to see my shed, and here it is. On the outside I've got a container with oxygen and propane outside, and then we go inside. On the floor there you can see I have got a propane gas sensor. The big silver thing there underneath the workbench, that is my oxygen generator for small things. I've got my various torches here with a gas quick disconnect for different things. I've got my soldering area here with a variable speed fan, lights which I can turn off just for this area. Then we move round and I've got my melting machine. I've got two vices, one with swivel. I've got a Canon cheap old camera, because these Canon cameras you can connect up as a webcam and you can zoom in and out so you can show people what you're doing. Underneath that I've got my cutter there. Underneath that, just here, I have got my draw plate item, and then my draw plate tongs, and then we go right along to the other end. I've got a ATV winch with a Kevlar rope to pull the drawer. Then I've just got some shelves with plenty of things on them and lights, I meant to say. Right, then over here we've got my mill, and that's hydraulic, so I don't have to wind a handle, which cuts down space. Then I've got my polishing machine with a fan behind it, and underneath I've got my hydraulic press with lots of cupboards underneath. Then I've got a 21-inch Apple Mac, which was bought for £100 because it's very old, with music above. I've got a UPS backup supply. Then I've got these shelves with my hanging drill thing there. Then underneath here I've got a compressor, a dehumidifier, a fan heater. Then as we go up, I've got a unit where I keep all my wet and dry. Then underneath that I've got my tumbling machine. Then I've got...
Could we please walk the dogs now, because it's going to rain, and that's why I didn't go in the gym this morning.
Right. Underneath this we've got my ultrasonic cleaner. Here we've got a acid bath, General Silver. Here I've got one which has got sulfuric acid in for general cleaning. Here I've got this tap, right, is just a plug-in tap, and it just is instant water heater, which is great. Then I've got all my fuses and everything all properly done with everything there. I've got a paper towel dispenser and a sink, kettle and everything underneath. Okay, I hope that's handy.